All right, so we should have just noticed something. When we did this sine and cosine of minus 30, I think we should have noticed something cool was going on there. I think we should notice something about minus angles when you feed them into sine and cosine. So, here's a picture. Here's an angle theta. Yeah? Okay. Angles usually live in the unit circle, yes? Okay. Here's an angle that's supposed to be minus theta but isn't. Here's an angle that's closer to looking like minus theta. Pretend it is. What are the coordinates of this point up here? Yeah, those are cosine of theta and sine of theta, yes? Okay. What should the coordinates of this point be? Okay. So half of you are saying the definition from knowing this angle is minus theta, and the other half of you are observing something geometric. Okay. So in terms of this is your angle, right? This dot should have coordinates cosine of minus theta, comma, sine of minus theta. Yeah? That's just because it's an angle, and the x is the cosine and the y is the sine, right? So this is kind of an angle viewpoint. But that thing's coordinates are also geometrically cosine of theta, comma, negative sine of theta. You guys see that? So what have I just observed about cosine of minus theta? That it's cosine of the positive version of that angle. You guys see that? In other words, cosine acts a little bit like absolute value, right? It doesn't really care what the sign on the angle that you feed it is. It still works. This picture doesn't care. If you want to draw it on the other side, it'll still be there. And sine of minus theta? That's negative sine of positive theta. You guys see that? So on cosines, you can drop negative signs on the inside. That's what we call even. And sine, you can pull the negative signs to the outside. We call that odd. You guys cool with that? So you can use these to your advantage if you would like, because we should have noted this. We're going to talk more about what even and odd actually do in terms of graphs and some other stuff later. For right now, if you want to use these tricks, go for it. Cool?